The E4 error code on your Carrier mini split indicates the compressor has overheated. This is a safety mechanism designed to prevent damage to the compressor. The compressor is a vital component in your mini split system. It's responsible for circulating the refrigerant throughout the unit. When the compressor overheats, this safety mechanism activates to protect the unit from damage. Think of the E4 error as a warning light for your AC's engine. We'll explain why this happens and how to address it in the following sections. Several factors can trigger the E4 error in Carrier mini split systems. First, low refrigerant levels cause the compressor to work harder as it struggles to circulate insufficient refrigerant, leading to overheating and activating the safety mechanism. Second, blocked airflow from dirty filters or condenser coils prevents proper heat dissipation, causing the compressor to overheat as it cannot release built-up heat effectively. Third, electrical problems such as voltage fluctuations or faulty wiring cause the compressor to overwork, generating excess heat and triggering the E4 protection mechanism. Addressing these underlying root causes, whether refrigerant imbalance, airflow restrictions, or electrical faults, is essential for a lasting fix and preventing repeated E4 errors. If basic checks like cleaning coils and ensuring proper airflow don't resolve the E4 error, the problem likely involves the refrigerant system or electrical components. Let's examine refrigerant issues first. Low refrigerant disrupts the cooling cycle, causing the compressor to work harder and overheat. This imbalance can be detected through pressure testing, which requires professional tools and certification. Refrigerant leaks are a common cause and can be detected using UV dye and a black light. The dye glows under UV light, revealing leaks in the system. Recharging refrigerant requires EPA certification and proper equipment. Incorrect handling can damage the system or violate environmental regulations. Always consult a certified technician for this work. Now let's look at electrical issues that can trigger the E4 error. Faulty wiring, capacitor problems, or voltage fluctuations can cause the compressor to overwork and overheat. Capacitors store electrical energy to start the compressor motor. Failed capacitors can prevent proper startup, causing the compressor to overheat as it struggles to run. Incorrect voltage supply can damage the compressor windings. Use a multimeter to check voltage levels at the unit's terminals. Wiring diagrams help identify correct connections. Faulty wiring or loose connections can cause voltage drops or shorts. Damaged insulation or exposed wires can lead to shorts and compressor failure. Regular inspection prevents these issues. All electrical repairs should be performed by qualified technicians. Incorrect fixes can create safety hazards or void warranties. Modern Carrier mini splits integrate advanced IoT capabilities that enable real-time monitoring and diagnostics through mobile apps and cloud platforms. Some units feature AI-driven predictive maintenance that anticipates potential issues, preventing E4 errors by automatically adjusting fan speeds, refrigerant flow, and other parameters based on usage patterns and environmental conditions. Regular firmware updates are essential to unlock these advanced capabilities, ensuring your mini split stays up to date with the latest diagnostic tools and preventive features. Let's examine real-world examples of how E4 errors in Carrier mini split systems have been resolved. These case studies demonstrate practical solutions and the importance of proper maintenance and manufacturer support. In a Florida condo, a homeowner faced recurring E4 errors caused by a dirty condenser coil blocking airflow. Using the Carrier app's augmented reality guide, they cleaned the coil themselves, resolving the issue and saving $150 in professional service fees. This highlights how app-based tools empower users to perform DIY maintenance. In a Tokyo restaurant equipped with Carrier's Hyperion series, E4 errors occurred during peak hours due to high ambient temperatures. Upgrading to a variable capacity compressor model with enhanced heat exchangers reduced errors by 50%, as documented in an International Energy Agency case study. This demonstrates the effectiveness of advanced compressor technology. In 2025, Carrier voluntarily recalled 50,000 units in the US and Canada due to faulty thermistors causing false E4 triggers. Affected users received free replacements, with data showing 95% resolution post-fix. This underscores the critical role of manufacturer accountability in ensuring system reliability. HVAC experts emphasize that most E4 errors stem from user-side issues like poor maintenance. According to a 2025 survey, 70% of E4 errors come from preventable causes such as neglected upkeep. One of the most important preventive measures is to regularly clean or replace air filters. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing the compressor to work harder and potentially triggering the E4 overheat error. Experts recommend checking filters monthly and replacing them every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and air quality. Clean the condenser coils regularly to remove accumulated dust, dirt, and corrosion. Clogged coils impair heat dissipation, leading to compressor overheating. Ensure there's adequate ventilation around the outdoor unit by keeping it at least 2 feet clear of walls, plants, or debris. Poor ventilation is a common cause of E4 errors in residential settings. Regularly monitor your mini-split system for warning signs. Pay attention to unusual noises like grinding or rattling, excessive vibrations, or reduced cooling and heating performance. These symptoms can precede an E4 error and should prompt immediate inspection. Early detection can prevent the need for costly compressor repairs. Ignoring E4 errors is a serious mistake. Each occurrence stresses the compressor, and repeated failures can reduce the unit's lifespan by 20 to 30%. What starts as a simple maintenance issue can escalate into major component failure, requiring costly replacements. Always address E4 errors immediately, rather than just resetting the system. Following these expert tips can significantly reduce the risk of E4 errors. Combine regular DIY maintenance with annual professional inspections to ensure your Carrier mini split operates efficiently and reliably. Proper care not only prevents errors, but also extends the system's life and saves on energy costs. The future of mini split technology focuses on sustainability and smart integration. Energy-efficient models with newer refrigerants and self-healing capabilities are being developed to minimize overheat risks. Predictive analytics and autonomous units will likely eliminate E4 errors in new installations, making maintenance easier and more reliable.